So what I got here, I'm gonna slip it on. Oh
my god, I thought I was gonna spray in my face.
Yeah, we're opening the garage immediately already because this is gonna be a disaster. Hey yo, what's going on everybody? Hope y'all are having a great day. Today is a great day, especially because it's Friday. And because it's fucking mod day, baby. Today we're gonna be installing. Oh boy. Today we're gonna be actually spray painting my BMW. You're like, whoa, what the f? We're gonna be spray painting my kidney girls. Now, okay, backstory. About 4 months ago when I bought the car, I purchased the LCI kidney grills with the 2 lines, and it even had like the BMW M3, like those 3 different colors on the grills. That came in, and what you're watching right now is a video of me actually doing it and installing it and everything with my girlfriend, and I wanted her to do it because it's that easy of a job, and you know, basically, well, it didn't work because it didn't end up fitting.
How is that possible?
You know, rest in peace to my fucking video.
Thousands of tears later.
If you're interested in watching that, actually I'm going to be putting a card right up here, so click it, and there's a full tutorial of how to install them, how to take your car apart. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to be spray painting everything. I already got the acrylic paint. I got the acrylic clear coat to go on top of the paint so it has a nice gloss finish. And without further ado, let's just take that shit off the car and set up outside. Alright, so we're here in front of the car, and I have the grill up and everything, and this is basically what we're going to be working on today. We're going to be removing these. There's 1, 2, 3 clips, I think 1 on each side and 2 at the bottom. I don't know how well you can see it, but I can see it. There's 1 right there, 1 right there, and there's these 4 bolts, torque screws that we're going to have to remove, and I think they're T25. But yeah, super easy removal and reinstall process. Let's get these off the car. Alright, now with everything off, we could easily move the bumper here, and right under here, if you put your hand in, you're gonna be able to feel some clips. Alright, now with these out of the car, we're gonna go inside, clean them up, and spray paint them. Alright, so just got done cleaning them up, drying them, and going in between all the little cracks here with a microfiber, just to make sure that even deep down everything is clean, and I did just that. And if you're wondering if I'm gonna sand it down, I'm really not, because already the surface is smooth, and I don't really see any reason to sand it down. I've spray painted before, I did the whole sanding, everything, but this is such a small two little pieces that like I'm really not worried about it. And my assistant here, she's gonna help me again. Actually, do you want to spray paint? Do you want to try? It's easy. I even have like a gun, like that you just squeeze it instead of with your finger. Cool? Alright. Dupli color here, black and clear. These have been in pretty warm water, just getting ready. They seem to be ready. I'm gonna take them out now, and we're gonna start the spray painting process. And your first coat is gonna be really light, okay? Like really light. Okay, watch me. So you take it and just... You wanna try to get all the angles as much as you can. We're gonna put this back in the hot water. We're gonna wait about, how much you wanna wait? 10 minutes?
10 minutes. Just spray right now.
No, you... Go spray paint Lily?
No.
Okay, because this is gonna take longer than I wanted, and I don't feel like fucking waiting, we're gonna be using this RX-7 hair dryer. Alright, so far So far, so good. It's like so good in here. Okay, you're drying it. Good, good. No, not again, please. Yeah, okay, do like a test shot on the side. Okay, that's how it...
I know that.
Side to side. Okay, go. Stop, stop, stop! That's too much!
I'm doing side to side.
Yeah, I know, but you have to shh, and then shh. I told you to watch me. Did you watch me?
I did.
No, you didn't.
I was videotaping. But you don't get anything like this. I'm scared.
No, you're shooting more up here.
Well, you don't want me to go too close. It's actually nice.
I told you it's gonna be fine.
See, you're going faster. If we would do it my way, it would already be done.
It's actually coming out really nice.
I'm actually gonna suffocate in here. I'm sorry.
It's all for the mods, baby.
And that's a wrap.
That's code number 2. It was a little bit more aggressive, a little bit thicker. My lovely assistant did some good passes for her first car.
All good passes.
They were all okay. They were all good passes, baby. All right, we're gonna let that dry, and we'll come back to you guys. This third coat is I'm making it, as you can see, a bit thicker because, well, we already have 2 other coats on there, and now I want the color.
Wow,
to
you can actually see the difference between this one and this one.
What do you mean?
These two look completely different.
Really? Okay, move.
Well, it's because you didn't go on that other one yet.
This one?
This one's thicker.
This one's thicker than
Yeah.
this?
But it's because you didn't do this one again. You did the other one an extra time. Just for the record, I can't breathe here. It looks good. What did you touch?
I thought, 'cause it
You
was
made a mark. Look what he did.
at the tip in here of the actual spray paint can, it clumps up with a bit of paint, so you gotta just wipe it off so that there's no bubbles. I did before.
And what did Julian forget to do?
No, I did it.
He forgot to wipe it off again.
There's like a bit of a sparkle in it too, which is cool. I don't know how right here. Can you see it?
Take the light off.
No. Can you see it? There's like a bit of a.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I see it right here.
Oh, it's so cold.
There, yeah, focus. Alright, so I let it dry a little bit now. I actually gave it over half an hour to dry that third coat. It was a bit thicker, but now just looking at it in person, they're like pitch black. My next thing that I want to do is get into the little corners, like right there. I'm seeing that like there can be some extra work done, because it isn't fully black yet. So this next coat, this fourth coat that I'm gonna be doing right now, it's gonna be complete coverage, and I'm gonna be focusing it mainly into the little cracks between everything, because I want this to be spot on.
1 hour later.
Alright, so off camera, I've been really looking at it and making sure everything was going down smoothly and everything was drying properly and everything. I even cracked the garage door open a little bit so that a bit of air could come out, and I put like a tarp here and I set it up, and on top of this I noticed that little specks of dust kept falling on it, so I set up like a little, you know, a little tarp here, and I put those cardboards on top so that nothing would go on top, and that worked out pretty well. The black actually came out really nice, and so now basically I'm left with the clear coat, and as that gets done, I actually have to wash my car. It's been a little bit of a little while since I washed the car, so perfect time to wash the car. I figured putting on a new, you know, something new on the car, I don't want to put it on and it's all dirty. Plus I'm going out tonight, so it all works out in the end. So let me get this clear coat done. It's been sitting in warm water. I'm gonna shake it up and let's get it started. check in on the progress with the Kinney grills. Looking at it super quick, it has a bit of a gloss, but like also like a matte. I don't know how to explain it, but let's shoot it a second time with the clear coat. And I think the second time, even the third time, is gonna really give it a nice job. Second coat came out pretty good. I hit it a lot more with clear coat this time. I really wanted to give it that gloss. Pretty good the first coat, but second coat I really took care of the corners and in between all the little cracks and everything. This doesn't give it justice, but the black is the utmost black. It's beautiful. It's a perfect gloss. There are no imperfections. I really took care of it, and yeah, that kind of like get-go tarp thing that I put on top with the cardboard to cover it, I realized that made a really big difference because there was less things that went on top of it afterwards. So especially that it's clear coat, this thing's super sticky, and that little precautionary step that I took just to be sure really paid off, and I'm glad I did it because these things came out phenomenal. I'm doing one more coat, showering, putting them on the car, and I have a date tonight with my assistant, so I think I'm gonna let it dry a bit more, do another coat, and I'll catch you guys then. Curious because, you know, it's a black car, and I want to see what else I can do with the car, what else I could black out. It's not M package, however it has some nice, you know, pieces to it, right? So recently I already changed the side marker lights. These are some LEDs. Those are smoked out, those are black. Now my grills are gonna be black. What about these on my car? I have these two like fangs or whatever. It's stock with the bumper, it comes, but should I spray paint these black or put like a carbon fiber wrap on it or something? I've already done carbon fiber, so I know how to do it. Anyone does. I did it on the inside of my car, you can't really see it, but whatever. Should I make this black? Should I spray paint this black with Plasti Dip I have? Let me know, guys. And I'm always open to more things I could do with my car, so if you have any ideas, any suggestions, drop a comment down below. I read them all.
3:28 a.m.
Alright guys, it's pretty late. I just got back from my date. I kind of ran out. I didn't have time to end this video, but I came back home. I didn't even have time to put them on my car because they were still drying. But anyways, came back home and I'm looking at them now, and honestly, like, it speaks for itself. Like, it's so perfect. It looks like factory. It came like this. Like, it's the nicest possible black and possible finish I could have ever asked for. I did 3 coats of clear. I did them thick. I did 5 coats of black. I ended up doing those thicker and thicker. Like, this just really worked out really well for me. And I'm happy to do this video because now I was able to share this with you guys, and now you guys could do it yourselves at home. Be it you drive a BMW, you drive an Audi, you drive whatever you drive. This video is compatible for everyone here. Yes, so my girlfriend helped me today. She spray painted my car. I'm really happy. We got to do something together, and obviously it's something fun, right? So yeah, that's it. I want to thank you all for watching. If you have someone that has way too much chrome or way too much silver in their car and you want them to change that, share this video with them and make it a project. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Again, all the products I'm going to be using today are going to be down in the description below, so be sure to grab that shit if you're doing this project with someone. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be putting it right down here below. That's at dgens19 at Instagram. So follow me. Hit me up if you have any questions at all. Or drop a comment down below. If you like this video, if it was helpful at all, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe, because there's a lot more coming to this car. I want to remind you guys to drive what drives you, and I'll be definitely catching you guys in the next video. Peace.